Hello friends, good to see you again. In this video I am going to show you 10 things you have to disable to improve your Windows 11 performance, privacy and battery life. Okay, here are the step-by-step guide. Just follow and disable and make your laptop performance better. For the first step is that startup apps. Press Ctrl Shift Escape from the keyboard. After, go to the startup apps here. And if you find out apps like Spotify, Teams or OneDrive, okay, then you have to disable. Okay, if you find out the OneDrive there and you are not using OneDrive, then you can right click and disable. I'm not using OneDrive, so I have disabled this. Okay, you can disable like other apps that you are not using. Okay, let's disable this ChatGPT also. Done. This is the first step. Now second step is that you have to disable the background apps. Okay, press Windows plus I from the keyboard to open the setting. Then after, go to the apps and go to install apps. Scroll down and click the three dot and click advanced. Scroll down and here background app permission you have to disable. Okay, power optimized has been selected here and choose never, and so you can disable background apps like this. Now third stress is that telemetry and data collection. Windows constantly sends diagnostic data to the Microsoft, so you have to disable this. Press Windows plus I from the keyboard and go to privacy and security option. Then after, you have to go here diagnostic and feedback, and you have to choose here tailored experience and turn on this. Now next is disable the Cortana or uninstall Cortana. If you are not using Cortana, okay, you can disable. Cortana also uses the RAM and background processing if it is enabled. Okay, press Windows plus I and go to apps, click install apps. If you find out here the Cortana has been installed, then after, go to three dot and click on install. Okay, or press Windows plus R from the keyboard, type app abus.cpl, click OK and check your Cortana install or not. Just right click and uninstall. Very simple. Now next is the turn off notification. Okay, sometimes Windows send us the so many notifications. This also makes our computer hang. So press Windows plus I from the keyboard, and here you have to go to the system and click notification and scroll down. Okay, you can find out here the apps, okay, which sends you notification. Let's turn off. Okay, I'm going to turn on this all because I do not need any types of notification on my PC, or you can turn off from here also. Now you can decrease the visual effects. Okay, fancy animations consume GPU and CPU mods, so that you have to disable the visual effects. Press Windows plus R from the keyboard and type there SOS, this command, okay, in the run dialog box. So SOS dm.cpu, click OK. Then after, here you have to go to the advanced and performance and click setting, and here you have to choose adjust for the best performance, click apply and OK. This also makes your computer faster. Now next is you have to disable ads and solution. Press Windows plus I from the keyboard to setting. Then after, you have to go to privacy and click the general and turn on this all. This also makes your computer faster. Now next is the OneDrive sync. We have to disable the Okay, now next is you have to turn off the location tracking. Press Windows plus I from the keyboard and go here to the privacy and security option, scroll down and location, and turn off the access, all the access. Okay, this also makes a computer faster. Now you have to disable background Windows services that you do not need. Press Windows plus R from the keyboard, type services .msc, click OK, and here are some services you do not need, like connected user experience. From C, here is connected user experience, you can disable, and you can find out their sysman. If you find out the sysman also, disable this. If you are using SSD, then you can find out the sysman, and you can disable Windows source. If you are not using the Windows source option, then you can disable Windows source here. Let's find out from Windows source, from W, here is the Windows source, you can disable. Okay, friends, these are the settings you have to disable in your Windows 11 to get faster improvement in your PC. Okay guys, if you get confused, then let me know in the comment box. I will tell you the brief in that confusion. Okay guys, if you like my videos, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.